Welcome to the world where nature, time, and art come together in breathtaking harmony. In today's video, we're uncovering the secret of petrified wood carving art, an incredible blend of ancient beauty and modern design that's transforming the way people decorate their homes. Petrified wood isn't just stone, it's a piece of Earth's history, a fossilized memory of trees that lived millions of years ago, now reborn as a medium for timeless art. If you love natural textures, sustainable design, and meaningful craftsmanship, this is for you. We'll explore how petrified wood forms, why it's so special, and how skilled artists carve this ancient material into stunning pieces that bring warmth, history, and elegance into contemporary homes. Every piece tells a story of transformation, endurance, and the passage of time. And when you bring petrified wood art into your space, you're not just decorating, you're preserving a fragment of the natural world's ancient soul. So, stay tuned as we reveal the techniques, the artistry, and the inspiration behind this extraordinary form of craftsmanship. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me as we journey into the heart of nature's most enduring masterpiece, the secret of petrified wood carving art, ancient beauty for modern homes. In the ever-evolving landscape of interior design, where sustainability meets sophistication, one ancient material has resurfaced to captivate artists, collectors, and modern homeowners alike: petrified wood. Often called stone wood, petrified wood is an extraordinary fusion of Earth's geological power and organic artistry. Born from trees that lived millions of years ago, it embodies the transformation of life into lasting beauty through a process of mineralization that turns wood into stone while preserving its grain, rings, and texture. The secret of petrified wood carving art lies not only in the material's breathtaking visual allure, but also in its profound story, a story of time, transformation, and timelessness. For modern homes seeking to blend natural elegance with historical depth, petrified wood offers a rare opportunity to own pieces that transcend trends and connect us to the very roots of nature itself. To understand the essence of petrified wood carving, one must first appreciate the extraordinary process that creates it. Millions of years ago, trees fell and were buried under layers of sediment, cut off from oxygen but surrounded by mineral-rich water. Over centuries, silica, quartz, and other minerals slowly infiltrated the wood's cellular structure, replacing the organic matter molecule by molecule while retaining its intricate anatomy. What emerged after eons was not just fossilized wood, but a masterpiece of nature, a stone that still looked like wood, echoing the patterns of growth and time in every detail. This transformation from organic to mineral is a miracle of patience, and it is precisely this patience that defines the art of carving petrified wood. The artist must work in harmony with material that took millennia to form, revealing its inner beauty through precision, respect, and intuition. Petrified wood is unlike any other carving medium. It combines the familiarity of wood grain with the hardness of stone, demanding both the delicate touch of a woodcarver and the strength of a sculptor. Its surface reveals mesmerizing swirls of color, rich ambers, smoky grays, deep browns, even blues and greens, formed by the minerals that replace the wood cells. Every piece tells a story of its geological journey. Iron brings warm red tones, manganese gives hints of violet, and copper lends traces of turquoise. When carved, polished, or shaped, these hues come alive, producing art that glows with ancient energy. For the modern artisan, working with petrified wood is a dialogue with time itself, a balance between revealing and preserving, shaping and honoring what nature has already perfected. The secret to crafting beauty from petrified wood lies in understanding its dual nature. Though it appears to be wood, it behaves like stone, requiring specialized tools, patience, and precision. Traditional wood carving knives and chisels are replaced with diamond-tipped tools and gentle grinders capable of handling the material's density. The process begins with studying the natural lines and shapes within each piece, respecting its original form rather than forcing artificial symmetry. The carver must see beyond the surface, reading the stone's patterns as though deciphering a map of ancient forests. Each mark or cut must be deliberate, as every motion interacts with millions of years of mineral history. This is why carving petrified wood is often described as a meditative act. It slows the artist down, demanding presence, awareness, and humility. The result is not merely an object, but a testament to the collaboration between human creativity and the Earth's timeless artistry. In modern homes, petrified wood carvings bring an aura of grounded luxury and elemental beauty. Their unique texture and natural sheen harmonize effortlessly with both contemporary and rustic interiors. As side tables, wall art, sculptures, or decorative centerpieces, they add a dimension of depth that no synthetic material can replicate. The appeal lies in their authenticity. Each piece is one of a kind, shaped by both nature and hand. Unlike mass-produced decor, petrified wood carries an emotional and spiritual resonance. It evokes the timeless cycles of growth, decay, and renewal. To place a piece of carved petrified wood in a home is to introduce a fragment of prehistory into modern life, a tangible reminder of nature's endurance and transformation. Designers and collectors have embraced petrified wood not just for its beauty, but for its symbolism. It represents resilience, permanence, and the passage of time. In feng shui and other design philosophies, petrified wood is believed to ground energy, promote stability, and foster a sense of calm and balance within a space. Its presence can shift the atmosphere of a room, infusing it with warmth and natural sophistication. Unlike other stones that may feel cold or impersonal, petrified wood retains the soul of the living tree it once was. Each grain, fossilized yet vibrant, whispers of ancient forests, rainfall, and the slow, steady rhythm of life. This duality, organic yet mineral, ancient yet enduring, makes it a perfect medium for modern homes that seek both authenticity and timeless appeal. The artistry behind petrified wood carving also extends into sustainability. While the material itself is a fossil and not renewable, most artists today source pieces responsibly, often from naturally eroded landscapes where the wood has surfaced over time. Working with petrified wood requires no new extraction or industrial processing, aligning with eco-conscious design values. Many modern artisans also combine petrified wood with reclaimed materials, such as recycled metal or salvaged timber, creating sculptures and furniture that embody a full-circle philosophy, where past, present, and future coexist harmoniously. This integration of ancient natural material into sustainable modern design reflects humanity's growing desire to reconnect with the environment through mindful craftsmanship. The technical challenge of carving petrified wood cannot be overstated. Because it is essentially stone, it must be worked slowly, using gradual abrasion and polishing rather than cutting. The artist must anticipate fractures, natural inclusions, and mineral veins, turning potential flaws into focal points. The polishing stage reveals the material's hidden splendor, transforming rough, dull surfaces into radiant, glass-like finishes that capture and reflect light. Each completed piece feels alive, its colors shifting subtly under different lighting conditions. It's this interplay of texture, color, and form that elevates petrified wood carving from craft to fine art. Incorporating petrified wood art into modern spaces bridges ancient history with contemporary design. A carved petrified wood sculpture can stand as a conversation piece in minimalist interiors, drawing the eye with its organic geometry and earthen palette. Small decorative carvings, such as bowls, candle holders, or figurines, introduce quiet sophistication to shelves and coffee tables, while larger slabs or sculptures can anchor a room's design with their monumental presence. The beauty of petrified wood lies in its versatility. It can embody both rustic charm and modern refinement, adapting seamlessly to any aesthetic. Its tactile quality invites touch, its subtle gleam draws admiration, and its story inspires wonder. Ultimately, the secret of petrified wood carving art is its ability to connect us across time. It fuses the ancient and the modern, the natural and the human, the fleeting and the eternal. In an age where design trends come and go with fleeting speed, petrified wood stands as a reminder of endurance and transformation. Each carved piece is a collaboration between nature's patient artistry and human imagination, a dialogue that spans millennia. Bringing petrified wood art into a modern home is not merely an act of decoration. It is a gesture of reverence for the natural world, a way of grounding contemporary living in the wisdom of the earth. Its ancient beauty reminds us that time itself can be an artist, and that true style, like petrified wood, never fades. It only grows richer with age. And that's the timeless wonder of petrified wood carving art, where ancient nature meets modern design, and every piece carries millions of years of history within it. It's incredible to think that something that once stood as a living tree can now exist as a work of art, preserving both the story of the earth and the creativity of human hands. Each carving is more than just decor. It's a symbol of transformation, patience, and enduring beauty. If this video inspired you to look at natural art in a new way, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others who love nature-inspired design, and subscribe for more journeys into sustainable, soulful craftsmanship. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you bring petrified wood art into your home? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and for taking a moment to connect with the deep history that lives within every piece of petrified wood. Until next time, keep exploring the artistry of nature, stay inspired, and remember, true beauty never fades. It just grows stronger with time.